Okay, so in the previous videos we've done opt-in, social opt, call to action. This video is going to cover the HTML overlay. I'm Albert Matthews of Big Function Products. So first of all we have to activate the overlay. Okay, you'll notice here we've got the editor. Then below you've got position. Okay, so position from top, position from left. That is aligned in pixels, so you can align whatever you're wanting to overlay. So whether that be text, a button as an image, or anything like that. Okay, you'll see that I previously have been playing about anyway. With location wise, you can have it beginning, middle and end like the previous ones. Okay, so let's say middle at 2 seconds. Now with the stay up for, it depends on what you want to overlay. Okay, if you want a button to stay there overlaid while the video is playing and you want it to stay there continuously, then I suggest you set from 2 seconds to the end and then add your image code in on the text side. Okay, I've actually previously done that on a post because I'm cheating, and I've actually put my affiliate link with the Aweber logo. Okay, so if I was trying to target people to sign up for Aweber, I could do that here. Okay, all the alignment stuff and all that kind of thing, I would really remove it all, and as long as your image isn't being restricted by your code, then that will be fine. And what I mean by that is make sure that the image you're adding is not massive and you need to add width and height to actually contract it down. You can add that here, but I prefer to just keep the code pretty simple and neat and have the image properly resized so the system isn't having to do too much work. Okay, if I click to the visual side, you'll see there's the Aweber button. Now maybe that is a bit too big to overlay over a video constantly. Okay, but it's in people's faces, and if I set it from 2 seconds to stay up till the end, then that is going to be really in their face and probably annoy them. So it's worth considering those points when you do add it to a video. Okay, doesn't have to be an image, it can actually be text, and you can adjust your text here and then set your backgrounds below. Okay, so what we're going to do is set it at the top 5 pixels left, just to adjust it so it isn't sticking out the side of the video. Okay, now moving on, that is going to come in at 2 seconds and it's going to stay right completely to the end. We can adjust it so it stays up from 2 seconds in to about 10 seconds. So what that will do is come in at 2 seconds and go off at 12 seconds. Okay, allow for pause video or not, so the video will continuously play, or they can pause it. Okay, it's best to always have pause on. Okay, allow skipping or not. The allow skipping option would now conflict with what I've done previously, because I'm having this option stay above for X amount of time. So if I allow skipping, then I'm not really sure, to be honest, what occurrence that would have with the system. Okay, from that I do not do it because I see it as a conflict with above. I want my image to stay there and the video playing whilst the image is there, so I don't want to allow for skipping. Okay, the best thing to do is decide on your choice. If you're going to have it show for a certain period of time, then allow skipping. Okay, so people can hit the skip button that's if you're going to stop the video and show it. But what I'm going to be doing is actually letting the video play in the background and let it run to the end. Okay, in fact, let's clear that time out of there, click out of the box so it takes that time away, and make it to the end, because if we did save that after entering that setting, it may cause another conflict. Okay, so make sure that box is clear when you close it. Okay, now going down with the settings I've chosen, we do not need to adjust any of these. We do not need a background of any kind, we do not need opacity, and we do not need our button colors. Okay, those can be left blank as you see on the screen now, depending on what you are doing. If you wanted text in this box in the editor here, then you could have a background color, a background image, and then add the options as previously in the videos before. All those options are the same continuously throughout the plugin. Okay, these options that you see on the screen now are the options that we're going to be just dealing with. Okay, because these are more related to the HTML overlay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually save and continue edit and move on to embedding the video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.